Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Olabisi. I'm inviting you back to talk. You know I'll be right here, right? Welcome back. And if this is your first time here, thank you so much for coming. I'm Olabisi. I'm inviting you back to talk. And on this channel, you get to watch Yoruba content that will help you in your Yoruba language learning journey, and also slaughtering videos in case you are interested in such videos. Thank you so much. I bet you really enjoy your stay here. Remember, I'm basically here for you for your Yoruba language learning journey to make it easier and fun. So do me a favor by subscribing to this channel and liking my videos. So let's get straight into the video. Okay, in this video, you're going to be learning words and opposites in Yoruba language. Left, osi, osi. So if you want to say left hand, you say owo osi. Owo osi, but mostly people say àlàáfíà. They will say owo àlàáfíà because osi in Yoruba language actually also means unfortunate. So most people do not like using that word. So instead of saying osi, they will say àlàáfíà. So you can say apa àlàáfíà, owo àlàáfíà, or apa osi. Or if you want to say left hand, you say owo osi. Right, ọ̀tún, ọ̀tún. So if you want to say right side, apa ọ̀tún, right hand, owo ọ̀tún. Big, ńlá, ńlá, or you say tóbi, tóbi. So if you want to say I have a big house, mo ní ilé ńlá, or you say mo ní ilé tó tóbi, mo ní ilé tó tóbi. Then small, kékeré, kéré, kéré, or kékeré. Mo ní oúnjẹ kékeré, oúnjẹ mi kéré. Okay, so the next one is infant, is ọmọ ọwọ́, ọmọ ọwọ́. Then adult, àgbàlagbà, àgbàlagbà, àgbàlagbà. Up, òkè, òkè. Down, ilẹ̀, ilẹ̀. Ìsàlẹ̀, ìsàlẹ̀. Hot, gbóná, gbóná. Cold, tútù, tútù. Question, ìbéèrè, ìbéèrè. Question, ìbéèrè. I have a question. Mo ní ìbéèrè, mo ní ìbéèrè. Answer, ìdáhùn, ìdáhùn, ìdáhùn. Open, ṣí, ṣí. Close, tì. So if you want to say close the door, tì ilẹ̀kùn. Close the door, tì ilẹ̀kùn. Open the door, ṣí ilẹ̀kùn, ṣí ilẹ̀kùn. Beginning or start, ìbẹ̀rẹ̀, 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 ìbẹ̀rẹ̀. Then end, òpin, 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 òpin. Play, eré, 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 eré. Work, iṣẹ́, iṣẹ́, iṣẹ́. So if you want to say I want to play, mo fẹ́ ṣe eré, mo fẹ́ ṣe iṣẹ́. I want to work, mo fẹ́ ṣe iṣẹ́. Lie, irọ́, irọ́. And the opposite is òtítọ́, òtítọ́, òtítọ́. Irọ́, òtítọ́, irọ́, òtítọ́. Then we also have in, inú. Out, ìta, ìta. Or laughter, ẹ̀rín, ẹ̀rín. Cry, ẹkún, ẹkún. Laugh, rẹ́rìn. I want to laugh, mo fẹ́ rẹ́rìn. I want to cry, mo fẹ́ sọkún. So ẹkún is cry, or tears, cry, ẹkún. Laughter, ẹ̀rín, ẹ̀rín. Then the next one is sell, tà, sell, tà. Buy, rà, rà. I want to buy water, mo fẹ́ ra omi. I want to sell my house, mo fẹ́ ta ilé mi. Go, lọ. Come, wá, wá. Come with me, wá pẹ̀lú mi. Go away, máa lọ. Okay, the next one is love, ìfẹ́, ìfẹ́. Hate, ìkórìíra, ìkórìíra, ìkórìíra. Love, ìfẹ́. Hate, ìkórìíra, ìkórìíra. I hate him, mo kórìíra ẹ̀, mo kórìíra ẹ̀. Or mo ní ìkórìíra sí, mo ní ìkórìíra sí. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́, mo nífẹ̀ẹ́. I love him more. Okay, so the next one is addition, àròpọ̀, àròpọ̀. Addition, àròpọ̀. Subtraction, àyọkúrò, àyọkúrò. Then we also have alive, ààyè, ààyè. Or alààyè, someone that is alive, alààyè. Dead, òkú, 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 òkú. The next one is easy, rọrùn, rọrùn, rọrùn. Difficult, le, le. This is easy, eléyìí rọrùn. This is difficult, eléyìí le. Next one is freeze, freeze, di, di, or gan, gan. Melt, yòrò, yòrò, yòrò. The ice cream has melt. Ice cream yẹn ti yòrò, ó ti yòrò. The water has freeze. Omi náà ti dì, or omi náà ti gan. Okay, so the next one is dirty, dirty, dọ̀tí, dọ̀tí, dọ̀tí. Neat, mọ́, mọ́, mọ́. So if you want to say someone is dirty, ẹni náà dọ̀tí, ó dọ̀tí. Or this is a dirt, ìdọ̀tí rèé. So mọ́, she's neat, ó mọ́, ó mọ́. They are neat, wọ́n mọ́. They are dirty, wọ́n dọ̀tí, wọ́n dọ̀tí. This place is dirty, ibi báyìí dọ̀tí. This place is neat, ibi báyìí mọ́. If you are still here by this time, that means you are learning, you are enjoying this video. So click the subscribe button and get subscribed. Please subscribe. Okay, so the next one is front, iwájú, iwájú, iwájú. Back, ẹ̀yìn, ẹ̀yìn, ẹ̀yìn. I'm going to the front, mo ń lọ sí iwájú. She's at the back, ó wà ní ẹ̀yìn. And the next one is far, jìnnà, jìnnà. Near, súnmọ́, súnmọ́, súnmọ́. Or tòsí, tòsí. My house is near the market. Ilé mi wà nítòsí ọjà. Or ilé mi súnmọ́ ọjà. My house is far from the market. Ilé mi jìnnà sí ọjà. Ilé mi jìnnà sí ọjà. Okay, so the next one is always, gbogbo ìgbà, gbogbo ìgbà, gbogbo ìgbà. Never, láíláí, láíláí, or láyé, láyé. I will always serve God. Màá sin Ọlọ́run ní gbogbo ìgbà. Màá sin Ọlọ́run ní gbogbo ìgbà. I will never worship the Satan. Mi ò ní sin èṣù láyéláyé. Mi ò ní sin èṣù láéláé. Okay, so this will be the very end of this video. I hope you've learned from this video. I hope it helped you in your daily conversations, in your daily activities. And so if it does, kindly subscribe there, subscribe and comment. Yes, let me know if this is helpful for you, and let me know what you would like to learn next. And so leave a like as well. Do not go without subscribing, liking, sharing and commenting. Thank you very much. Bye bye.